Hey, what's up, XRP Ripple coin holders? How are you? Hope you're fine now, my friends. In this video, once again, I'm talking about the XRP. What's the current price of XRP? What's the price change in the XRP? And my friends, just to watch this video. XRP holders never miss this video, my friends. So first of all, before starting this interesting video, I request everyone at this time, if you listen my voice, so please click the subscribe button and also like this video, my friends. My friends, at this time, the latest price of the XRP is 0.860000. $1 is the latest price of the XRP in the market. And if you look the Bitcoin BTC price of the XRP, so BTC price is 0.002171 is the BTC Bitcoin price of the XRP. On the other side, you can see the market cap, the 24 hours trading volume of the XRP, available supply, total supply, every update is on the front of your eyes, my friends. Now, my friends, if you look the price changes of the XRP, so the price change is going wrong completely, my friends. From the yesterday, the pricing is going wrong, and still they have the pricing is negative. 0.28% price falls down in the last 60 minutes, my friends, and only the last 1 week pricing is positive, but now the current situation is going wrong. So a lot of people also disappointed by the XRP, and you know what, they decide to sell, my friends. And you know what, that is the biggest mistake of all XRP Ripple coin holders. So please don't do this mistake and don't decide to sell, my friends. I recommend for everyone to, it's time to hold, not to sell, my friends. If you hold to the last of this month, so personally my prediction is going positive about XRP Ripple coin, and I believe that they will give us good amount of profit in the last of this month, my friends. Anyways, what is your opinion and what is your prediction about XRP? Please tell me in the comment box, and don't forget to subscribe ABS Tech channel for more news and updates videos.